It's time now for our chart of the day. Let's send it on over to Catalyst co-host Madison Mills for a look at record cash holdings for the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. Maddie.
That's right, Brad. We're taking a look at Warren Buffett's record cash holdings hitting all-time highs, as you can see on this chart behind me. Ed Yardeni this morning saying that Buffett's cash holdings are making, quote, everybody jittery. There's a rumor floating around TikTok, been going viral this week, that this means that Buffett thinks the market is about to crash, but that is not necessarily the case. So wanted to give a little bit of context here. Yes, cash as a percentage of Buffett's total assets and Berkshire's total assets is at an all-time high. But asset manager Nir Kaysar arguing that this isn't about Buffett trying to time a market downturn. Instead, it's about estimating the long-term returns of stocks versus other assets like cash. And here's where Buffett's preferred valuation metrics start to come into play. So one is his valuation gauge. That measures the market's value relative to the U.S. economy, and that is at a record high. Another is the S&P 500 divided by the S&P's revenue per share, also at an all-time high. And we've seen Buffett stockpiling cash before when those metrics peaked, because he believes that valuations and future returns, they're going to be inversely related. And this mirrors estimates that we've seen across the street. Kaysar noting that there's an estimated average return of about 4% per year for the S&P over the next decade. And remember, I'm talking total return. I'm not just talking market performance there. Well, the yield on cash right now is above 4%. So that could explain these record-breaking cash holdings. Also, anyone who says that they know exactly what Buffett's thinking is lying unless you hear it directly from the source. But the context here about how expensive stocks are and how returns look compared to cash at least gives us a little bit of context behind those moves, guys.
All right, Maddie, thanks so much.